Now this is the WLAN routine maintenance through the eSight. So how to using the eSight to perform the maintenance? Objective. Upon completion of this course, you'll be able to perform the routine maintenance of WLAN service. Content number 1, network monitoring. So we begin on the viewing regional overview information. Access the region object manager. So we can first go to the business. Alright, and then we look for the WLAN management. This is the place, the region monitor. So we click on this one first, and it will bring you to the another page. So in the monitoring mode, right click. Okay, this is the monitor place. Right click the region topology. Okay, just right click. It will come out this one for you. Okay, and then select. So on the left plan and select the region object manager. We just select this one. Okay, then they'll come out this. Okay, right now they already discover 4 AP. Sorry, it's 3 AP right here. 4 AP2, AP2. They have 2 different AP2 here. So this one is for the overview information for the user. So how to check this one? You have to go back to your home page or the monitor. So now on the overview, so you click on the user. So on the user here, they will show you the total of the user. Okay, and here you show you the time. How many users online on this moment? Okay, they will show the client protocol distribution. Okay, the version 802.11b and AC. So from here we can understand right there how many users is using the 11N. Okay, so we will know the user using the AC, G, and different type of the version. Okay, the other. And also for below here is for those of the authentication. On the top here is the wireless version. Below here is for the authentication. So what kind of authentication will be the most using one? So you know right here they put 100% for the web open security. So that means it's no authentication. So I believe this one is for the portal authentication. Then the next one, AP. So you just click on the AP here. This is the AP. So they will show you the information for the AP. So the AP here, the traffic, the radio 0 and radio 1. So the radio 0 is referred to the 2.4 GHz frequency band. The 1 is for the 5 GHz frequency band. So you know the current usage. Okay, for the different AP. Okay, this is different information. Okay, the top NAP interface traffic utilization. AP4. Okay, using this port. Okay, in the utilize, out utilize, and the traffic. Then the next is the radio. So the radio here can show us those radio is currently in use. Okay, right now the green color show is only channel 1 in use. When you have so many AP deployed on your network, okay, and currently you're running the channel 1, 6, and 11. So they will show you the different color here. Okay, so which channel is the most using by all the SDA? Okay, they will show you right. Okay, this is another one for 2.4 and the 5 GHz. Okay, right now they have one client connected to 5G. Then the next one, after the radio, this is the WIDS. Okay, so the WIDS will show you how many the raw device and the client is online. So they will scan the surrounding and put the list right here. They just got how many. So all those raw device, right, can be those of the unauthorized AP. So maybe I have some of the APs already connected, but I haven't associated with this AP yet. or maybe some APs belong to other places, another building. So we just overlap to our area. Okay, our AP can able to scan it. So they all you put inside the list here. And the last, other. Right here they'll show you the AC. The AC in total they have 3. Green color, now 100%, and 3 online. So perfectly fine, there's 3 AC. All ACs go online, it's no faulty, it's good. Then the free AP, I also have 3. 3 is in green color. So this one we actually want to see. Okay, in green is perfect. So the usage, the AC1, AC2, and AC number 3. So they'll list out all the usage, okay, the SSID, and the traffic. Viewing the regional detailed information. Choose AC from navigation tree of the region object manager. So from these places, you can notice some of the AC. Okay, all of them, the status is online. So there are some of the operation icon right here. So the first one is unauthorized AP. Okay, AP whitelist and the blacklist. Why they're going to categorize in the 3 different selection here? So different AC, they might discover the different unauthorized AP. So this one you base on which AP you connected. Okay, just give an example only. AC number 1 is connected to AP number 1. My AP number 1 discovering those unauthorized AP is beyond my on range, and my unauthorized AP is different than the AC number 2 and also the AC number 3. So you need to check one by one. Okay, to check, is there got any AP I haven't registered yet to my controller? And then this number 2 or number 3, you only can choose one and configure. Okay, the AP whitelist and the blacklist. So the whitelist means the AP with this MAC address or the serial number is always the authorized AP. The AC will always connect to this AP, the access point. Viewing AC parameters. View running status of a specific AC in the region, including the basic AC information, KPIs, alarm, AP information, and user information. So at these places, you can just create on the alarm list. So inside the AC already. Okay, how to entering here is very simple. Like just now the AC, you just create on the name here. Okay, create on the AC that you want to check. So they'll show this is my AC number 1. So right here, my AC number 1, I want to check the alarm. Okay, they'll show you all the information. Okay, this is my basic overview. So my basic information, AC number 1. Okay, my device name is 6605. The version, okay, the system OID, IP address, MAC address. Choose the AP from the navigation tree of the region object manager. So it's the same. Okay, now they continue to the next one, the AP. It's not the AC anymore, now it's the AP. So the AP also will have a same view as the controller. They also will show you the basic information. If the AP receive any the critical alarm, okay, the alert, so they'll show you right here the critical and module, okay, those information. So you can just create and check if they have any error occur. So they show you the current AP CPU usage. Okay, what's the usage right now for your AP? This is AP number 2. Okay, and your access client. Viewing user information. View information about user who are connecting to the network in a region to learn overall user access information and network resource usage to determine whether network expansion is required. So we just go to the client here. This is the places, click on the client and check. There's how many clients in total. Because this eSight is one of the network management software. So as long as the eSight is already managed all the controller and the AP. So you will also know how many users is currently connected. So they will show you all the client inside the list here, the access current user. When the user is too many and they almost reach to the threshold of the current AP can be able to support. So this is a time you have to consider to add more AP. So view the user parameter. So just click on the client. Okay, now this one, the client, click on this one, the man rest. So you bring it back to here. This is a client. So this is the client information to show the IP address, the MAC address, and the signal quality. So right now, how far away about this client, you also can check. Right now, the signal for this client is minus 73 dBm, the signal strength. And he is belong to the WLAN 11. The current connected using the AC, and the channel bandwidth is 20 MHz. So we bring the information about all the SSID on the WLAN, including the access AC name, AP name, and the ESS profile. So this one is the last one right here, the SSID. So once you click on this one, because right now this is just some of the example, for the real environment, after you deploy the eSight, and you have multiple AC, AP, and got so many users already connected online. So when you click on this SSID, the list will be very, very long. Okay, so yeah, this example here is only show you one. Okay, I have one SSID called Huawei, and the AC name broadcast this SSID is called AC number 1. Okay, the profile name, I name it to ABC. Number of AP using this SSID is only 1. Number of VIP is 2, and the client connected now is 1. Okay, now they go entering to the maintenance, network fault diagnosis. So to do the diagnosis, WLAN fault diagnosis, the current diagnose. So you notice they have some of our icon here. Okay, they show you the client, AP, and the AC. Rectifying AP fault, the diagnosis on the AP. So now you go back to the region topology here and click on the AP. So they'll show you all the list online AP. So what you need to do is go to the operation here. So there's 3 icons. The first icon, the pen here, is actually is edit. Okay, I want to do some modify for the AP parameter. Okay, then the second one is replace the AP, and the last one here is fault diagnosis. So they help you to scan and check the condition. So this is a summary, WLAN maintenance and the management.